up, everyone? It's your girl 7LXFairy, and I am back with another one. That's right, another banger coming to you guys. First things first, how are you guys doing? If you guys are new to the channel, my name is 7LXFairy, and make sure you guys click on the beautiful red button right here to stay updated whenever I go live or upload videos. How are you guys doing? And welcome back if you guys are returning. So, you guys are in for a delicious treat. I really appreciate the love, the comments, the feedback you guys have been leaving on my cooking/baking playlist. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Man, you guys are just awesome. Man, you guys are just real OGs. You guys are awesome. I appreciate the comments, the love, the support. So please, please, please keep it coming. Oh man, you guys are in for a treat, a delicious treat. So as you guys read from the title, that's right, wait for it. That's right, I'm going to be coming to you guys with a no-cook ice cream recipe. You're probably wondering, what is a no-cook ice cream recipe? Oh man, basically it's a simple ice cream recipe that doesn't require a lot of ingredients, of course. As you guys may have watched my previous ice cream recipe video. If not, make sure you check it out. Well, it's based upon my previous ice cream video that requires cooking. If you guys remember, I mixed the egg and stirred it in the pan. We had to wait for that to cool, mix the milk, egg, and sugar mixture together. You guys know, in the pan, whipped it up, had to wait for it to cool, put it in the ice cream, machine. Well. This recipe doesn't require all of that. It's a simple recipe, easy to make, doesn't require a lot of ingredients, and is the perfect recipe for people who are complete novices in the kitchen. Whether it's cooking or baking, they can simply learn how to mix things, measure things. So yes, this is a delicious, recipe that I prepared on the channel to share with you guys. So I figured, why not share it with, my fam? So, if you guys love ice cream, you guys love 7LXFairy, and you guys want to learn how to whip up your very own, ice cream, that doesn't require any cooking, stick around and figure out, how you can whip up your own ice cream. Check out the video. You're in for a treat. Check it out. Before we begin, that's right, as you guys know, before we begin, I have to start out with my disclaimer. Yes, my hands are nice and clean. I do not play that when it comes to cooking and preparing food in general. Cleanliness is very, very, very important to me. This is rule number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You must have clean hands when dealing with food. It is imperative. It is a must. Okay, guys, so now the disclaimer is out of the way. Let's begin preparing some ice cream. I'm gonna prepare some ice cream for you guys. Alright guys, 7-second countdown, and I will see you guys at the ingredient table. You ready? Alright, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is the next shot. Here is my brand new ice cream maker. Look at this. Check it out. And yes, it makes frozen yogurt ice cream and sorbet. And I'm pretty sure other delicious treats as well. But yes, this is the scoop. Check out the brand new ice cream maker. And I'm going to go to the left and you guys get to check out my ingredients. And here's the scoop. The ice cream maker is fully automatic, and it makes 2 quarts in as little as 25 minutes. Can you guys believe this fact? Amazing, right? Let me go over to the left. Slide on over to the left. Check out the ingredients. Look at that. This is a basic ice cream recipe, and it doesn't require that many ingredients. As you guys can see, I have my heavy cream ready to go. Heavy cream. Look at this, some granulated sugar right here. Domino granulated sugar. Heavy cream. Ooh, look at this, cream au lait, whole milk. And last but not least, look at that, my extract right here. You can use vanilla extract or any type of extract you prefer. So you can use any type of extract you prefer. It doesn't have to be vanilla ice cream or vanilla extract, whatever type of, ice cream you prefer. And last but not least, did I say sugar? Yes, I did, of course. You want to make sure you incorporate 1 cup of granulated sugar for this ice cream recipe. So yes, check out all the ingredients. Simple recipe, easy to make, doesn't require a lot of ingredients. So here's a quick recap. You're going to use 1 1/2 cups of whole milk. Let me zoom on the milk for you guys. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 cups of heavy cream, and 1 1/2 tablespoons of pure vanilla extract or any type of extract of your choice. Now let's begin. So here we go. As you guys can see, I mix my milk, sugar, and heavy cream together. Take a look at this. Right here, it's going in the ice cream maker. Whole milk, heavy cream. Look at that, enjoy the ASMR. Look at that, so soothing and relaxing. And let's not forget that milk, the heavy cream, and the vanilla extract has been mixed together. Ooh, look at this. So this is actually an ice cream recipe without eggs. Did you guys know that? An eggless ice cream recipe. And as a disclaimer, you guys do not need an ice cream maker. You can simply just pop this into the freezer and you will simply have ice cream. Altogether, this is an eggless and cookless ice cream recipe. There we go. This is perfect for beginners, people who are learning how to, bake. There we go. So this is a simple recipe for those who might not know how to cook or just want a quick and efficient recipe that gets the job done. So here we go. Alright, I'm going to turn it on. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Magic button, go. And we're going to just watch the ice cream churn. Look at it go. See, just like this. You don't need an ice cream maker. You can just take your mixture, add it to your freezer. Just make sure you check on it constantly. Maybe, stir it a couple of times to make sure everything is mixed together. All your ingredients are well combined. And you will have ice cream. You want to ensure that your ice cream has the desired consistency. So I would say if you were to pop your mixture in the freezer, about 20 to 25 minutes, maybe 30. Make sure you time it with your cooking timer, your Alexa, your Google, Siri, whatever device that you have. Now if you don't have an ice cream maker, do not fret. You can simply just add this mixture into your freezer. The same exact mixture, just mix it in a bowl and just pop it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour. But you want to make sure that you stir your mixture. You want to make sure it has the desired consistency. Look at it coming together. Look at this. And make sure you time your ice cream, with whatever device you have, whether it's a cooking timer, Siri, Alexa. It's all about, timing. So how does this ice cream maker sound? Question of the day, what is your favorite ice cream topping? What do you guys like? What's your all-time favorite ice cream topping? So I'm gonna see you guys in 25 minutes. Alright. Look at it coming together, it's churning. Had to show you guys this clip. Look at this. Look how rich and creamy the ice cream looks. Oh man. Look at the ice cream. at this on the inside. Let's take a look at it. Let's examine. Let's get a closer look. Alright, you guys ready? Just gonna remove the lid. Okay. Ooh, look at the ice cream. Okay, let's pull this up. Y'all ready? 3. I gotta zoom out first. Let me zoom out so you guys can look at everything. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's lift it up. Look at that. Whoa! Ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Get the ice cream. Amazing. Nice. Simple recipe, easy to follow, doesn't require a lot of ingredients. So this is the texture of the ice cream. As you guys can see, this ice cream churned for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Well, I set my alarm for 25 minutes to be precise. And look at it, it looks pretty good, not bad. I'm zooming in for you guys so you guys can see everything. Not bad at all. Now, if you're using an ice cream maker, it's going to take 20 to 25 minutes. However, if you're using the freezer method, you want to ensure that your ice cream sits in there for approximately 1 hour to 1 hour and a half. Look at this. And you want to make sure you stir your ice cream mixture, you know, constantly if you're using the freezer method. Let's take a look at this. Take a look at it. And you can incorporate any type of toppings you prefer. You know, jazz it up. Put some sprinkles, some people call them jimmies, some pecans, walnuts, whatever type of fruit, syrup, whatever type of toppings you prefer. Some people incorporate chocolate syrup, caramel syrup, strawberry syrup, what, gummy bears. Like, people do it all with ice cream. So question of the day, how do you jazz up your ice cream? Like, what are your favorite ice cream toppings?